Hey Cloudy, welcome back. This is part 2, and I know you love to praise the name of the Lord just like I do. So this is joy. Cannot explain that happens when we proclaim your great name, your great name. We love to call your name. Is something we cannot explain that happens when we proclaim your great name, your great name, King Jesus. No other name, King Jesus, none stronger when we call on you. Things change, yeah, when we call on your name. We love to call your name. It's something we cannot explain that happens when we proclaim your great name, your great name. We love to call your name. It's something we cannot explain that happens when we proclaim your great name, your great name. Power in the name of Jesus, power in your name. There is power in the name of Jesus, power in your name. Power, 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 power in your name. Power, 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 power in your name. We love to call your name. And stand by for 3.